Welcome to the Divine Appetit. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious one-pot pasta alfredo. Anza, are you ready to cook? Let's cook. We're going to pour in the pasta here. Get the good stuff from Italy. They don't use any Roundup in it. They're not allowed. Drain your pasta in a colander and set aside. Now let's get some olive oil in a pan. We're going to cook our meat. We got some sweet Italian turkey sausage that I'm going to take out of the container. Okay, I slit the casing on here. We're going to fry these loose, so I took them all out of the casing. Okay, now we'll get this all going. Now we're going to bust this up a little bit. It's starting to sizzle and brown up good. Okay, we're going to flip it over. Keep on breaking it up. Now we're going to deglaze this with a little bit of white wine. Optional. Scrape all the good stuff up. We're going to add our peppers and onions. We're using frozen, but you could use fresh too if you feel like chopping it up. And we're going to go with a little bit of fresh spinach. The spinach is wilted. We're going to take this out now and set it aside with our pasta. Okay, now we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of butter and let that melt down. We're going to put in about 1.5 cloves of chopped garlic. And we're going to cook that till it gets fragrant. Don't burn it. Our butter's melted, the garlic is fragrant. Now we're going to go in with 2 cups of whole milk. Okay. We're on medium-low heat here. We're going to go in with some parsley, salt, and pepper. I think I have about a teaspoon of each here. Okay, our milk's heating up. Now we're going to add the secret ingredient, a brick of room temperature cream cheese. We're going to melt that down and work it in. Okay, now we're going to go in with a good 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Whisk that in. You can see it's thickening up. Okay, now we're going back in with our pasta. Let that get heated back up. Now we're going back in with the sausage, the peppers, the onions, and the spinach. We're going to let that get heated back up. I think this is going to be good. As soon as this gets a little warmer, we're going to eat. All right, we're going to plate this up. I'm going to hit mine with a little bit of red pepper flakes from the garden. Okay, divine appetito.